Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Kimi AI, which is the latest AI model that came out of China. So using it is extremely easy. All you have to do is just simply open a browser and type in Kimi AI. That will bring you to this link right over here. Now, open the first option and then wait for a few seconds. After that, you will be redirected to the main page of Kimi AI. So over here, you will have a lot of functions, but first thing that you have to do is you have to create a login for your Kimi AI. But if you want to save your history, you have to create a login. So in order to log in, all you have to do is click on this login option right over here. Then you have to just simply enter your phone number and verification code. But before that, you will have to choose your country code. So let's say, for example, +91. So just simply type that. And that will automatically bring you to your country code. Now just simply enter your number. Then an OTP will be sent to you on your number. Just simply enter that right over here and you will be good to go. After entering the number, just simply click on this send the code option and a OTP will be sent to you on your phone. So after you receive the OTP, just simply enter it right over here. And then it should automatically log you in, as you can see right over here. Now, once this part is done, you will be able to change the theme. If you want, you can change the theme to the dark theme or the light theme. You can change the language over here now. You'll also be able to give feedback if you want that. So now let's get familiar with some features of Kimi AI. Firstly, let's see the chat feature right over here. You will be able to see a few options. First is this normal Kimi AI. And if you click on this drop-down menu, you will be able to see Kimi long thinking, which is the similar thing that you can find in both DeepSeek and now recently in ChatGPT as well. So this is the long thinking option where the AI will think before actually giving you a reply. And you can see exactly what AI is thinking while preparing for an answer to your question. So you can use both the features. It's totally up to you. Next is this online feature. So as you can see, if you click on this online feature, that means you have given Kimi AI access to the internet. That way you can get real-time data. Let's say, for example, you want some real-time data on stocks, news, weather reports, or anything like that. You will be able to get data in real time. And if you disable this, you will not get any real-time data. So now moving on, you will have this common phrase option. So if you will enable this option, you can see right over here, you can add common phrases. So click on add common phrase option. You will be able to add multiple common phrases. So you can save a lot of time using this feature if you use same phrases multiple times. When you're using any type of AI, you can add your custom phrases right over here. That way you can use this feature. It is similar to what you can call autofill. Now, you will also have the attachment option. As you can see right over here, just like all the AI chats, you can attach files up to 100 MB. And the files that you can attach are PDFs, docs, Excels, PPLs, text, images, and etc. Now, if you go to this side of the menu, you will be able to see the first section is Kimi AI, which is the home page. If you click on this, you will be able to create a new chat. As you can see right over here, the previous chat is now gone. The next is start a new chat, so you can use any of them. They are both the same. The next feature is chat history. Over here, you can see all the chat history. They will be categorized, as you can see right over here. Like for example, greeting, because in the chat, I have only text hi, which is a greeting. It will be categorized as greeting. Now, let's say for example, if I have searched for some food recipe, it will be categorized as food. Now the next feature is the app feature. Over here you can scan this QR code on the screen to download the application on your iOS or Android devices. And lastly, you will have the desktop and extension version. So let's say for example, if you want the Kimi AI as an extension on your browser, you have to choose browser extension. And if you want the desktop version or a desktop application of Kimi AI, you can use this as well. All you have to do is just click on it, and that will directly download the Kimi AI desktop application. And the same goes for Kimi AI web application. As you can see, you will have options for Chrome, Edge, Microsoft 360, and some Chinese applications as well, as you can see right over here. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see how the web extension will actually work. You can get a brief idea on how to use this, as you can see right over here. So this is mostly in Chinese, but the moment you will download the extension, you will be able to use the extension, but the extension will be in English. The downside to this extension is it is currently still in development and most of it is still in Chinese, as you can see right over here. But in the later updates, it will be fixed, so you don't have to worry about it. Now let's see how Kimi actually works. Let's say, for example, if you want to use Kimi Cape 1.5 model, which is the deep thinking model, and ask any question right over here. And then all you have to do is, after asking the question, hit enter. And then, as you can see, this is the thinking phase of Kimi AI. So you can click on this drop down menu to see exactly what Kimi is thinking and from where exactly Kimi is taking the data from. You can see all the information in this small box right over here. Now this is not the main output, this is just what the AI is currently thinking for itself. And now Kimi is actually giving you the real output, which you can see right over here. And if you look closely in the right hand side section, over here you can see all the sources from where Kimi have taken the data. So this is exactly how Kimi works. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.